Okay, this is from a 1975 Dodge W100 four-wheel drive truck. This truck had a plow set up on it. Looked exactly like the ones that are on the Snow Fighter and the Snow Commander plows. But this truck didn't have the stickers and stuff that went down the sides, that the Snow Fighters had. That said, this looks like a factory installed plow setup to me. This switch here is the one that switches from the truck lights to the plow lights. And you can see it goes around here and goes directly into the bulkhead connector on the firewall. And it's not, it looks like a factory install. There's no modified wires or nothing. This harness here that plugs into the bulkhead connector there and goes under the hood. This has those yellow plugs that on this truck accepted the wires coming off of the running lights on the plow frame itself. I think in a normal factory without a plow setup, they accepted the running lights that go underneath the grill. So, like I said, I think that this is a factory installed plow setup. It just didn't have this Snow Fighter package. So this listing is for all three harnesses here. This is the one for the dash, one, like I said, that goes underneath the hood, and the one that accepts the plow light pigtails from the plow frame. This is the only cut wire that I see. This is what would power the headlights. And I don't know, I didn't see if this, I didn't take notice to see if this ran into the dash, and hooked up to the dash harness. I don't see any cuts or nothing on the dash harness or on this other harness. So, somebody was there before me. And they took the engine out, so they must have cut this thinking they were going to, because they pulled the engine harness out with the engine. So they must have cut this, wherever that hooked up underneath the hood. But other than that, I don't see any other cut wires or anything like that. This is an old harness, so the wires are stiff. There are a couple of spots where the insulation looks like it's split, similar to this here, where you can see a little split in it. But otherwise, all the wires are, in good shape. A couple things let me show you here. On the bulkhead connector, this ran the old amp gauge, so you can see where the terminals are there that got hot from that. The wires that go into the actual gauge, they look fine. But this was a non-running truck, when I got it. So I don't know if the headlight switch here works or the wiper switch, but they are included. There's another switch. I think this is for the brakes. And I kind of I saw. I don't know what this goes to, but looks like that got warm too. But other than that, it looks like it's in good shape. This was from a automatic truck, so I don't know, it might be something different. Maybe there's like a neutral safety switch or something for a truck that has a stick that's not on this. But otherwise, yeah, it's all in good shape except for this one cut wire, which shouldn't be too bad to figure out how to get that going. And yeah, so like I said, this should, if you're looking to put a factory plow setup on your old Dodge or restoration, this should get you going in the right direction.